Female orcas, they stop reproducing in the 30s or 40s, but they can survive in the wild well into their 90s. This is practically unheard of in the animal kingdom. Only humans and the short-finned pilot whale are like that. All other animals just don't do that kind of thing. In terms of evolution, this makes perfect sense. Animals survive to pass their genes on to the next generation. Once they don't do that anymore, there is just no longer an incentive to survive. However, this doesn't apply to orcas clearly. And that's because orcapods are matrilineal matriarchies, which means that the pod is led by a core group of female orcas who are all related to one another. Importantly, these female orcas keep their baby orcas in the pod, regardless of whether their baby orcas happen to be male or female. But far from being misandrists, however, there's an abundance of evidence that suggests that female orcas will work harder to protect their sons than their daughters, and even when those sons happen to be fully grown-up adults. For example, if the post-menopausal mother of a 35-year-old male orca happens to die, the 35-year-old male orca's chance of death goes up by 13.9 times, while a 35-year-old female orca that loses its post-menopausal mother is just completely unaffected. So why do female orcas favor their sons so much? It's because their sons are actually secret agents.
A platypus? Parry the platypus!
While daughters will get pregnant and bring any babies that they have into the pod, sons go on conjugal visits. They leave their pod, get an orca from another pod pregnant, and return back to their mothers, leaving any children that they had behind with that other pod. This means that a son can help spread an older female orca's genes far and wide to other pods. It also means that unlike daughters who keep their children, any babies the son has becomes the other pod's responsibility, the other pod's problem, reducing competition for valuable resources within the group. Female orcas are therefore incentivized to live long, well beyond their reproductive years, to keep their deadbeat sons alive so that those sons can keep having children of their own with orcas from other pods, which in the end helps spread the older female orca's genes far and wide. So I guess next time you think about cancelling that date after a long day at work, think about what ends the female orcas will go to spread their genes.